Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with the Instant Noodle Recipe Time show. The show where I tell you what to do with your instant noodles. The last one of the day. It's Thursday, August 5th. God, it's nuts. August. Today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to www.zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code RamenRaider for a discount. This is a Sapporo Ichiban variety called, this is KARAAGE Ginger Shio Ramen. So, KARAAGE is like, they've got ramen, and then there's izakaya, which is like side dishes, right? And man, you go to a ramen joint around here, the side dishes are just primo. I've been to a lot of ramen joints, like actual sit-down ramen restaurants. You know what I'm saying? And the sides are better than the ramen, which is like, oh no. No, that one in particular is extremely good. There we go. Damn it. 3 minutes. I don't know why. It's like everybody always gives, it feels like I just have a perennial one of those dribble cups where it's like you try to use it and you just end up dribbling all over yourself, right? Everybody laughs. Ah, that's the way I am with like dealing with this stuff. We gotta put a lid on. Is that too big? Is that kind of, yeah, that's kind of in the way. No. There we go. That's better. So yeah, I mean, what's happening? It's been a good day so far. Hopefully nothing's gonna screw that up. I don't think anything will. God, what should I talk about? Big explosion in Beirut yesterday. It was insane. It's like it goes boom, and then there's like this shockwave, and it looks like something you get from a nuke. It's like it's such a concussive blast, and there's so much heat that it like when it's going, it's just like, I don't know. Is it that it's pulling the moisture out of the air and burning it, or is it just like smacking the air so hard that the friction of the shockwave on the air displacing it is actually turning whatever moisture there is in the air to steam? I don't know. But pretty freaky videos. Note to self, no fireworks factories next to big facilities full of aluminum nitrite or nitrate. Although they're saying they don't know what the actual explosive element was at this point, too. Conflicting. But yeah, yesterday in the news, or the day before yesterday, there was this Axio interview that Jonathan Swan did with the president that was absolute amazing. It wasn't like he was picking on him, but he was asking him questions. He was like, no, wait a second. This means this. This means this. Well, not necessarily. Blah, 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 blah. And he's got like a whole bunch of like notes and stuff, and he really can't tell what's on the notes. It's fun. I like that kind of stuff. It's just like, I don't feel so crazy for being such a non-fan of the president. It's like, okay, yeah. I want to have a president that I like. It's too loud. But we had our state primary here, as other states did yesterday. And it looks like everybody I voted for won, so yay me. Yay everybody. Our governor, Mr. Inslee, will retain his position as the governor, as an incumbent. Got a vice governor or lieutenant governor. Looks like it's going to be Danny Heck. Looks like a good deal. But my brother and I were having a conversation this morning about politics and stuff. And I'm like, he was like, well, I would never vote for this person because they have this position on that. I'm like, well, you can't expect that you're going to find an official that's going to align with every single thing and belief that you hold dear in moral position. You know, it's like, I'm okay with Inslee on a lot of things, but when it comes to vaping, I want to wring his neck. You know, it's just like, it's like, how can you be so smart about these things and such an idiot dumbass about that part of it? But yeah, I guess it was just a popular thing. He might be ratcheting. He might be learning more right now. Gotta give him the benefit of the doubt, but we don't have to. But I like to. So let's give this a try. All these little bits. Yeah, here, come closer. No, it's okay. Come on. No, don't worry about that. Come here. Look at that. Look at all these little bits in here. I'm talking about these bits. What's that? What is that? I'll find out. Like a little chicken nugget. What is that? Is that egg? Maybe, I don't know. Little meaty bits. Nice noodle. Let's sample the broth. The broth looks good. The flavor I'm getting is enjoyable. Okay. I like it. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let's do her up. One of my biggest problems I have is trying to figure out what size bowl to use when you're using a cup or this or that or the other. Ah. What do we got here? Looks like a little bit maybe of cabbage. Nothing but the cabbie hit. Because it's cabbage. Cabbage. You guys ever see the movie Short Circuit? There's a part in it, there's like a robot hostess going around like giving out drinks. Blah blah blah. Caviar. Da 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 da. It's pretty funny. That's a good movie. I like that movie. Very 80s. Not to say that I'm like a huge proponent of the 80s, but I did grow up in the 80s, so kind of makes a diff. I baked some chicken today. I baked 163 grams of chicken. How do you like them apples? And I ate the other chicken, and I'm going to eat this chicken next. Because it's what I do. I mean, come on, chicken. Ah. No. speaking of chickens, my children can make really good chicken noises. Hey guys! Come here! Hey Mimi! Hey Miles, come here! You guys want to be world famous? Yeah. Miles! There he is. All right, so I got a game for you. You want to play a game? Yeah. Okay. Let's make sure you can be seen. You can be seen. All right, on the count of 3, I want you guys to make really loud chicken noises, okay? All right. Like, make your best chicken noises. Hey, come back over here. Come on, come over here. Mimi, come on. All right. On the count of 3, make loud chicken noises, okay? 1, 2, 3. Aren't you? Make be loud chickens. Ready, set, go. What does the chicken say? Okay, really, really loud. What does the chicken say? Loud! Bark, bark, bark! Oh. Thank you, Miles. Thank you. All right, get out of here. Get out of here. It's time for Rotato. Sigh. You can lead a kid to screaming, but you can't make them yell. Whoa. Oh! Well, yep, now it's just about cleaning up, putting stuff in the dishwasher, getting the videos done, and then I'll start doing apartment laps like a crazed wildebeest. And then we'll go out for our walk when she gets home, and then, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye. Bye.